We're going to start by going through the basic parts that make up the blade. First, you get a whole bunch of 6x2 red plates, or whatever color you want. Doesn't have to be red. Whatever color you want your lightsaber blade to be. You also need a bunch of 1x1 bricks with studs on all sides. You can choose any color. We have black here, but doesn't matter because nobody will see them once this is complete. The first step is to place 4 of the 1x1 bricks with studs all around on the 6x2 plate, as you see here. Then place another red plate on the other side of that, like you're making a Lego sandwich. Now on the sides of the sandwich there, you put 2 more 6x2 plates, just like you see here, slightly off center, a little short on one end and overlapping the other end. Now you're going to repeat this step. Each one of these is a module, right, or a segment. And you're going to repeat these steps over and over again to create all these different sections. And then you're going to take 2 of these sections and connect them together with a 6x2 plate. And when it comes to the hilt, you can get creative and do any number of things. As you can see here with these Lego pieces that surround the section of, it's really surrounding the blade section, the part of the blade you don't see that forms the inner part of really what the hilt is going around. Now this is one picture of one that's pretty simple, but the possibility for all you creative Lego builders is literally endless what you can do. Matter of fact, in a moment I'm going to show you a quick tutorial on how we made a Kylo Ren, or how Scott at the Lego store, I should say, made a Kylo Ren lightsaber just for us.
Particular type with red and blue accents.
So this is for the Kylo Ren one?
Yeah, these are the basic module, if you will.
Takes a lot of pieces. Those are for, I guess, other sets.
Those are just pieces that rotated off the wall this morning. So we change pieces every couple of days.
Now, as you'll see right here, you don't actually have to do 6x2 plates only. Like in this case, Scott's building with 8x2 plates. So you just need some long plates to make this blade. All right, look at the progress. I'm told there's a few tweaks on the hilt, but we're getting there. Look at that. Awesome work. Just go there. Bingo. Another piece on the other side.
Progress.
Almost complete. How cool is that?
Doing some of the stabilizing layers.
So these are the outer layers now going on. Very neat. So I hope this quick tutorial will help you get going on designing and building your very own Lego lightsaber model. You can actually buy one here, if you can find Scott and ask him to make you one like we did.